Alright, we have 8 and 1/9, and we want to subtract 4 and 7/9. Now, the notation is a little bit weird here. What this really means is we have 8 and 1/9 more. Then what we're subtracting is 4, and we're subtracting the 7/9. So a little bit tricky here, but we have 8 and a little bit more. What we want to do is subtract 4. Actually want to subtract something a little bit bigger than 4. So we're going to need to subtract that 7/9. Alright, so then what's one general clean sweep we can do here? Well, we can just make everything a common denominator over 9. So what we could do is this 8 needs a denominator of 9, but we can't just divide it by 9. Okay, so we'll multiply it by 9/9. So we're just multiplying it by 1. We're not changing the 8. We're just multiplying it by 9/9, which is 1. Luckily, the 1/9 already has a 9 denominator. Next up, we will be subtracting the 4. Now, it needs a denominator of 9, but we can't just divide the 4 by 9. That would be 4/9. What we can do is multiply the 4 by 9/9, because that's just the number 1. Alright, so then the tricky piece is we're also subtracting the 7/9. But hey, at the very least, it's already got that common denominator, which is good. Alright, so we're almost there. We basically have everything over 9. What we should do is kind of simplify things a bit. What is 8 times 9? Let's see, that would have to be 72. Alright, so we have the 8 taken care of. Now we have the 1/9. Easy peasy. Next up, the 4/9. Well, 4 times 9/9. That would be 36/9. And then last on the chopping block, minus 7/9 comes down nice and easy. Alright, so, it's just a bunch of adding and subtracting at this point. There's no real strategy here. Just make sure we tally up everything correctly. So, I don't know, I might focus on the positive numbers, get a nice easy 73 real quick. 73/9. Now, for the negatives, we have negative 36, but minus 7 more, which is negative 43/9. Oh, nice. So we have a good match here. We get 30/9. That's the 73 minus the 43/9. These both have a 3 in common, right? I'm thinking this is 3 times 10, of course, over 3 times 3. Hey, we saw 9/9 was 1, but now we have 3/3. That's also the number 1. So the official answer is 10/3, and we could also write it as 3.33, and the 3's just continue forever. So you could write that with a little bar over top, or a nice dot, dot, dot. That's it. Thank you for your question. Feel free to ask away if you have any more. Alright, signing out, Jonathan.